Hey there, quick review on these Fab Totes storage totes. As you can see here, they fold up into a very compact space. Whenever you pull them out, this is the size that you get. So this is fantastic if you've got a bunch of linens, clothes, etc. that are falling all over the place, and you want to consolidate and keep them in one container. This is fantastic for organizing. They do have a clear area across the front so you can easily see what's inside. Now, they are fabric material, so there's no reinforcements, so they will condense down into small shapes and spaces. If your materials inside don't take up the whole space, not a big deal. You can really pack them down as well. They've got carry handles on the sides, reinforced, so you'll be able to carry them around easily. These would also work great if you're moving and you need something to put clothes in for transportation. This is a really cheap way to move clothes around and be able to see what you've got, carry them, and keep everything protected from getting dirty or wet, etc., until you're ready to access them on the inside. We've got a double zipper going all the way around here. Decent quality, fairly easy to use. So there you go, you can easily get access to the entire contents inside. So if you're trying to organize your life a little bit, this would definitely be a great cost-effective way to do that.